know, and in the old days, you couldn't work in the shipyards, you know, unless you joined the union. And the unions didn't accept women, and they didn't accept African men or women. So this shows some progress. Yeah, and people, you know, some of the younger guys weren't eligible.
This is an iconic picture. I bet everybody has seen it once or twice in their lifetime. Oh, Riveter. I think this is a. Okay, I thought it's a jackhammer. It's still a riveter. The rivet guns she used was much bigger than the riveter I used. Okay, now I understand you do need some muscle to use this kind of big machine. Because my riveter used to fix the sheet metals is like 1 feet long, even less than that. I didn't expect she used this kind of big one. This looks like a Jeep.
Was it automatic?
I'm pretty sure it was not. And my cousin Joey would take over my grandma.
My wife works the biggest thing I can is water.
Oh, I don't mind my wife working, but who's gonna run my home? And that was a union.
I do. I won't.
Okay, that's a quick tour of the museum. I'm going to start to enjoy the exhibition myself.